Jai Jagannath, welcome to my YouTube channel Office Guru. Office Guru channel is the ultimate destination for the Microsoft Office applications like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, etc. learnings. Are you ready to boost your knowledge on one of the most essential applications? Let's get started. This tutorial will teach you the basics of Excel. It is not necessary to have any prior experience with spreadsheet programs or programming. A spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft. Excel actually organizes data in columns and rows and allows you to do mathematical functions. It runs on both Windows and Mac OS and Android and iOS. The first version was released in 1985 and has gone through several changes over the years. However, the main functionality remains same. So we'll be focusing on what is Excel and why we should use Excel, purpose, benefits of using Excel, introduction to Excel interface, layout, and essential features. Excel is typically used for analysis, data entry, data management, accounting, budgeting, visualizations, programming, financial modeling, and much more. Then why we are using this Excel? There may be more applications available in the market, right? So Excel is most popular spreadsheet program in the world. It's easy to learn and get started. It can be used with both work and everyday life, such as to create your family budget. It has a huge community support. It is continuously supported by Microsoft. Templates and frameworks can be reused by yourself and others. See on my screen, this is how Microsoft Excel looks like. This is called spreadsheet. It has two main components. First is the ribbon. The ribbon is usually to navigate and access commands, and second part is the sheet. The columns you can see this white color with the grid, so this is called sheet. Okay, so each cell you can see this is the name box which referencing here A1, and this is your formula bar where you can write formulas, and here it is called cell, right? And horizontal lines are called as rows, and vertical lines called as column. Excel sheet, you can browse your Excel file. Here I am using MacBook, so I'm just clicking my Excel application, and you can see multiple options like home, new. I'll click on new and choose a blank workbook. If I'll click, here it is. I can maximize it, minimize it, like that. And here these are all columns. You can select each cell by selecting your mouse, and here if you click on the header, entire column can be selected. You can drag it up like this, and also suppose you want to click everything, you can click on the left top corner. That will select your entire worksheet, and these are called row. And you can even resize it. Okay, the size you can adjust. You can even adjust the column width. Okay, so this is a normal spreadsheet where the top part contains the ribbon contains different menus like home, control, insert control, draw, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, automate, or developer based on your OS. Under home you can see different controls are available. They are grouped into different types based on their types. Let's see the basic operation, a mathematical operation in Excel. Suppose I want to multiply 200 equal to, so I need to give equal to symbol and then number, then into symbol, and then 333. I'm just giving random, so this is the answer. Same, I can delete it. Also, I can create a data entry table for me, for students, and their mark sheet. Suppose this is the sheet 1, and I can create multiple sheets. For example, if you consider this is as your book and these are your different pages or different chapters, like that you can consider. Suppose sheet 1, I'll say for students, and sheet 2 will hold the information for their marks. Okay, so under students, so maybe the serial number, and then roll number, name, uh, or maybe date of birth, and class. Maybe I can add this kind of columns to a student. And if I'm entering data, this is my first student, roll number is 111, and name is, I'm just giving a random name, Alex. Date of birth is 1st January 1990, and class is 5th standard. Okay, and we can do some customization, like we can make it bold, as this is header. I can select all like this, or I can select specific column, means cells, and I can make it bold by selecting this option, and I can increase by their size by selecting this option, and this option reduce their size, and I can make a color of it. Okay, and I can do the alignment, like here is the alignment menus, like I want everything to be started left and middle. This is what you can do, your simple Excel sheet. And you can also make it create borders for it. Here is the border option. Your different borders are available. I'll just make it this. Okay, so this is some sample example. We'll learn more. I would like to request you like my channel, subscribe, and share with others. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.